In monomer, there is a doping of boron, and in topcon panel, there is a doping of phosphorus. When the boron and this phosphorus come in the real environment, so they will react with the sunlight. So you will get extra degradation in first year. Now selecting panel selection criteria for your panel with efficiency and warranty. Firstly, you will choose high efficiency panel because your plant should run 25 years in PM Kusum. But if your panel efficiency is below 21%, so theoretically it is not possible that your plant will run to 25 till 25 years. So whenever you choose the panel, you will see the efficiency of panel should be minimum 21%. There is a formula which you can get efficiency. By efficiency is equal to P max divided by area into 1000 watt meter square and whole formula multiplied by 100. Where P max is the maximum voltage of panel, it is 540 watt is the 590 watt, and area is in meter square, and 1000 watt meter square, it is a standard test condition of solar irradiance. If I talk about Gotham Solar 630 watt peak panel, which having a maximum efficiency of 23.32%. So you don't worry about your solar panel efficiency and degradation. 590 is 22.84%. And monomer panel efficiency is 21.29%. Another factor is reliable warranty. You all know that all the manufacturer of solar panel give you a same typical warranty like 25 years or 30 years. For selecting the best solar panel for best company, you should check the previous experience of your manufacturing company that having a maximum number of experience in solar industry. If I talk about Gotham Solar, which having a 28 plus year of solar industry experience, so it is a typical lifetime of your solar power plant. So you don't worry about your solar panel warranty support. Another is a optimized design using appropriate materials and latest technology. You should choose that manufacturer who are using A++ grade raw materials, Tier 1 machinery, and latest technology like round ribbons and DC cutting. In next session, we will discuss how we manufacture this type of panels using this type of technologies and raw material. इन हिंदी एक कहावत है कि अगर पौधे में अच्छे से खाद पानी नहीं डाली जाएगी तो एक अच्छा वृक्ष नहीं बनेगा. For same this is in a panel. If we don't put best raw materials, we don't put taking a latest technology, so we will don't get a best panel. For that, Gotham Solar using high quality machinery, Tier 1 machinery, plus grade raw materials we are using latest technology like round ribbons and DC cutting. So there is implement strategy some in the commissioning timeline in PM is regarding 9 months, according to some area it will 6 months also. So after your LOA and work order, the preferred manufacturing characteristics in the PM Kusum basically company having a proven industry track record with your panel also and with inverters and other factors also. Company has active running in-house production line. It's also available spare capacity. There are some key techniques that I have already shared that CUF you should be maintained regarding around 17 to 15 to 19% depending on the location, and the DC overloading that you are taking, because if there is any deduction, so it can be deducted from your overloading factor. So around, if I talk about the panels and the DC overloading you are taking, if you taking no overloading factor, so when you go for a 590 watt peak panel in 1 megawatt, so the panel requirement around 1695, and if you go for a 1.2 overloading factor, so the panel requirement is 2034, and if you go for a 1.3 megawatt, it's around 22,203, and 1.4 is required 2373. If the talk about the area requirement, for 1 megawatt requirement of area is 4.2 to 4.6 acre per megawatt, and depending on the what type of module you are selecting. If you see on the screen also, if you are go for a monoper panel, which come in 540 volt peak to 550 volt peak, so the area will require 4.8 to 5.1 acre, and in this panel you having get the maximum efficiency of 21.29%. But you go for a 590 volt peak top cone panel, so in this the panel requirement only 1695 and area will also required 4.2 to 4.6 acre. In this you will get higher saving of your BOS. But when you go for an extra voltage like 630 volt peak, so the panel requirement only 1587 and efficiency will you get is 23.32%, and this area will cover only 3.7 to 4.1 acre, and you will get maximum saving on BOS. In this PM Kusum, the long-term assurance, the 25-year power purchase agreement with the DISCOM, and important for the project success and gaining investment trust also. In this, Gotham Solar is a trusted partner of PM Kusum scheme, having a 20 plus year of solar industry experience, long-term warranty around performance warranty is 25 plus year, product warranty is 12 years, and we supported 25 years PPA requirements. The finance